Abaqeqeshi kunye neembaleki baphume ngobuninzi babo kuzomamela kubhengezwa ngokusesikweni kumdyarho we-Women's Spar Challenge eHumbrel eGqeberha. Ilungu lekomiti kwicandelo lezemidlalo, ubugcisa kunye nenkcubeko, uSinebhongo Khwatsha uthi bengumasipala bayayivuyela lo mdyarho.
We are glad as a municipality to say that we have entered into partnership in assisting or sponsoring the event itself. Through EPA. EPA has been opening doors for us in terms of expanding our partnerships as the municipality to the mandates, actually partnerships that speaks to the mandate that we have as councillors, because this race is promoting Abafaz. It's all about us, Amabinga, and even the slogan of this year is saying celebrate her. So it's important that we be part of these social cohesion programs that are taking place in the city. And siyabulela again to the athletics EPA that has given us this opportunity and brought it to the city. We are glad to be part of it as it goes forward. It's been existing for years. We were never a partnership with it. But ngoku singenile kwi-partnership, and we are glad as a municipality to say that we are going to build this relationship going further.
Umongameli wombutho weembaleki eMpuma Kapa uthi lo msitho ubaluleke ngokuba ukhuthaza umanyano kubantu basetyhini.
For us as a province, it means a lot. EPA is a brand, and then being associated with a brand like SPAR means a lot to us. It also confirms that we are an organization that works on principles. SPAR will have never associated with us if we are not doing things right. And then thing that we also appreciate with SPAR is that they continue celebrating women. The theme that says celebrate her, it means a lot. It makes you think more than what a normal person would think, because women are the central figure in the community. They're the one who ensure that things are done properly. So as a province, I'm sure that we will continue respecting and work with SPAR for a very, very long time.
iGqeberha kwaqhubekeka nokwazakhela igama njengendawo apho kubekwa khona iirekhodi ezintsha kwimidyarho yendlela, nto leyo yenza lo mdyarho ujonge ngamehlo abomvu.
Umsebenzi wethu thina in our office is to implement races. We've redesigned a new route for the race, which an elevation of 31 meters above sea level. That's the highest point. And Yonke Londole makes the race to be the fastest race on paper. It will just be a matter of time waiting for our runners that have that quality to smash the current SA records, either on categories or in open. Over and above that, technically, EP Athletics LOC is up there. We are ready to deliver another successful race.
Uluntu luyakhuthaza ukuba libhalise kwangethuba ukuze lube yinxalenye yalo msitho wokubhiyozela nokuxhobisa abasetyhini ngomhla wama-26 kweyoMsintsi. Kwiindaba ze-MPK TV, Ndingulinge Gcwabe eGqeberha.